Well, we were with another provider, software company, and then the price became so high that with our budget and small department, we couldn't afford it. eFORCE had come to us, presented their product a year prior, so we knew who they were. They were located there just down the road from Utah State University. The price worked within our budget, and so that's how we got started with eFORCE.
I think the biggest difference is being able to build the relationships with the eFORCE team. Like, I know that I can have the freedom to, you know, like talk to the CEO, you know, which he might not want to hear from me all the time, but you know, I mean, in law enforcement, you know, we obviously, you know, like chain of command, and we respect that, but there's a sense of trust and the relationship that people build, you know, by being able to talk to, you know, support directly without, you know, feeling like you're putting someone out. Well, our sheriff, he was talking to another sheriff in a different county and another police department about our system. And they came and said, why don't you just come on over to our agency and I'll show you what we have, because they were interested in looking to see, you know, other vendors. And so it was pretty cool that when I was showing them how we in the county, we can bring up a police department, you know, another agency that works with us, and we could bring up their report and print it. And the look on the other agency was pretty cool.
I would put it above any other competitor out there that I know, and I have used other RMSs, but eFORCE, like I say, has provided everything that we have needed, and just give it a try. It's what I would tell others. Sit down, try it. The first thing you're going to be impressed with is the ease of it and the simplicity of the program, but the power that it generates in reports, in documenting what you need to document, and in providing information on personnel activities. I had come from a larger agency and had also used a competitor software, and found that for the size of agency that Smithfield has, eFORCE was exactly what we needed and fit all of our needs at a price that we could truly afford.
I have talked to other officers and dispatch that do have another technology company, and the company's become so large that their support has totally diminished. They're not big enough anymore to really qualify for the support, and they're getting very frustrated with them.
Well, if an agency come up and ask me about it, I would share with them and say, look, if you have it in-house, it's great, but if you have something that you have it where you can have it in-house and have an off-site location, then I think you got the best of both worlds.
I came from a larger department in Colorado before I started working at Lone Tree, and they had a different program, definitely not as user-friendly. So when I came to Lone Tree, I couldn't believe how much easier it was to work, both for the officer and for the records person. So it's much nicer to have an easier program to use step by step.